Hello friends, welcome back to Softtech. In the last video, I have shown you how to send a friend request, accept a friend request, and how to do a video call without sending meeting ID or link. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do group chat. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon next to it. Also follow this Instagram account.
So now I've taken the chat in Zoom. So how to create a channel, group is, you see a plus sign here. This is a plus sign, click on it and you see new chat, create a channel, join a channel. Click create a channel. So after you click that, you see a box like this. In this it's asking your group name. You can only select the members who you already added to your contact. And you get options like members in your organization only, private, invited members only, or public, anyone can see. Now I'm making it private and click create channel. The group is made and now it's ready to use. It has the option of doing video call, same as in the personal chat which I showed you in the last episode. If you watch that video, you will understand it clearly.